everyone, I'm John from Easy Data Learning Pod. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up SAS on demand for academic with Python. Before we begin, please make sure you have the following requirement. The Java, Python, and SASPY, you must higher than the version as shown as above. Then, you also need to register for the SAS on demand academic on their SAS profile. To get started, you need to go to the SAS on demand academic website and follow the instruction to set up your account. Once you have the account set up, you can proceed to the configuration. Now, let us click into this link and start to configure for sascfg_person.py file. To do this, copy this portion of the code from the website and paste it into your IDE. For my case, I'm using Spider as my IDE, so you can use which IDE you are comfortable with to execute this code. Then, you need to modify this part of Java executable file based on your system. You need to know where you installed the Java file. Then, you need to uncomment the IOM host for this region where you register for your SAS on demand for academic account. For my case, I register for Asia, so I only keep on the Asia part. Once you have saved the changes of the sascfg_person.py file, you need to save it to the SASPY installation location. If you're not sure where you install the Python library, you can run the following code below. This code will show you the path of the installation file of your Python library. Come to next, we need to configure the underscore or info file. To do this, you need to copy this code from the website and save to the file name _auth info.txt. You need to modify the ODA email or ODA user name and ODA underscore password to match your email and password for your SAS on demand for academic account. Once you have saved the file, rename it to _auth info and save it in a folder format. If you are unable to save the file in a folder format, you can open the CMD and run the following code on the path c_user your name. So you need to run the code below. Next, we need to download and copy the IOM client jar file from the SAS website to the SASPY installation location. You can download the files from the website and copy to the path directory of SASPY installation in your Python environment. If you are not sure where is the installation location is, you can run the following code in your IDE. Finally, we can try to establish a connection between Python and SAS on demand for academic by running the following code. And you should be able to see the output as shown as below. That's it. You have successfully set up SAS on demand for academic with Python. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and I hope it was helpful. Please like and subscribe for our channel. Thanks. See you.